Alright, today we are going to see the difference between list and tuple. I know that you know about the difference, like list is mutable, tuple is immutable. Also the list is slower, tuple is faster, but we are going to see why. Why the list is slower, why the tuple is faster, how it gonna store internally. So without wasting time, let's start with understanding what is list, how it store on the RAM. So let's start with the list. When we are declaring the list, as an example of 20, 20 and 30, it will create, or you can say, and occupy four slot is which is an available, or you can say visualize over here. The first three, it is an pointer to the particular object which is stored into a list. Here this is an index 0 which is pointing this particular value which is stored the value of 10 at the RAM. Same for and 20, same for 30. And this is an empty slot which called as over-allocation, which we're gonna see in further slide. Now let's see how the value is actually stored. The particular pointer, it is an OX500, which is an address of that object of 10. Same for an value, or you can say object of 20, and same for an object of 30. So the list only store addresses, not an actual value. Now let's see why it takes an extra space. So we have created the list of size 3, but the capacity of the particular list is 4. So when we are appending it an extra value to that particular list, it directly append and take an empty space. So the append is in time of 1. That's why it will be taking an extra capacity from the size. And what if there is an another value if added? Right now we have an size of 3, then we have added 1, then the size of the particular list become 4 and the capacity of 4. Now if we want to add extra value to the particular list, then the old memory is full, then it will create a new memory. So the thing happened is called an amortized growth, which happened rarely, but whenever it happened, it copies the particular data and storing into a new memory reference. Now let's see in tuple. Tuple is, you can say, in compact, no waste of any sort of extra allocation memory. User tell that I want to store only 3 values, and it will gonna store pointer of that value, not an actual value, but it will not gonna store any extra space in that particular block. So what if we are appending an extra value to the tuple? It will raise an attribute error. Now let's compare this list and tuple side by side. If we have created a list of size 3, it can be possible that the capacity of 4 or 5. But for the tuple, if we have created of this list size 3, then there is fixed capacity of 3 and it is an zero waste exact allocation. But in the list, there is an extra slot is reserved. Now let's see why the tuple is faster. So tuple uses less memory. Also, no resizing overhead because the tuple is created only once and it doesn't contain any sort of updation attribute. Also, tuple is better to cache locally. Apart from it, it is a smaller internal structure. So the less memory is equal to faster interaction. Yep, and apart from it, if we have created the list and inside it we have added one value, two value or any sort of extra value, then the list directly not storing an integer but it will gonna store an pointer of that particular object inside a list. So here is a final summary. List is mutable where tuple is not. List can be append but tuple can't. We can add extra reserve space but in the tuple there is a fixed value. We can resize or reallocate the list, but tuple can never be resized or reallocated. The memory usage is more because of an extra space occurred by the list, but in the tuple it isn't less. For the interaction speed, the fast inside and tuple. The interaction speed is fast, but the fastest is for the tuple. But hashable, but list is not hashable because it is not an immutable. where tuple is unhashable. So list is dynamic, tuple is compact. Both store and pointer, not an actual value. So keep in mind. And thanks for watching this video. We will see in next video. See ya.